Hello ladies and gentlemen, all of you, welcome to the channel of detailed recipes. Lamb shank kebabs in the oven, different presentation ideas and detailed recipe. 7 lamb shank, 1 liter of milk, rock salt, hot pepper juice, mineral water, 3 seitan. First clean the hairs on the ends of the bones, you can keep them on fire. Cut the ends of lamb shank bones. You can cut it in one shot, no small bone crumbs occur. Click the bell icon to get notification of the latest videos, open notifications. Thanks for watching, see you in the new video. Cut lamb shanks from 3 sides using a sharp knife. Lamb shanks will be kept in sauce for 1 night. The purpose of these cuts is for the sauce to get better into the meat. Chop the onions. Add rock salt. Add hot pepper juice. Let me state that this water is very hot. Add mineral water. Add milk and mix a little until salt melts. Add lamb shanks. Lamb shanks will stand in the fridge for 1 night, or if you have time you can wait 24 hours. These bone tips will also be used. Lamb shanks waited for 20 hours and were turned upside down a few times like this. Now we can see other materials to be used. Olive oil, soy sauce, strained yogurt, hot pepper sauce, small onions, bone tips, black pepper, garlic, rosemary, fresh thyme, eggplant, potato, wheat, boiled chickpeas, 1 cup of rice, 1 glass of water will be used, 1 cup barley noodle and wire noodle, 1.5 glasses of water will be used. Remove the lamb shanks into the strainer. Wait for excess water to drain. A large earthenware casserole will be used to bake meat in the oven. Add salt. Add and mix other ingredients. Add lamb shanks, mix and cover with sauce. Add onions and bone tips into the earthenware casserole. Add rosemary and fresh thyme. Add garlic and black peppercorns. Placing lamb shanks. You can compress the meat a little, the meat will shrink while cooking. Add the remaining sauce over it. Cover with a little cow oil. Add some more fresh thyme on it. Cover with aluminum foil and cover the casserole. Run the oven at the highest setting and cut the heat in half after 1 hour. The heat is sometimes raised and lowered, so that a total of 4 hours will be cooked. Pierce the eggplants. Add eggplant and potatoes in the oven, cook. 1 night pre-moistened wheat, cook. Add bone broth. Potatoes and eggplants cooked. You can use oil or margarine or butter to make rice. For a glass of rice, you can use a glass of water and some bone broth. Add boiled chickpeas and bone broth, add 1 glass of boiling water. Add some oil to the wheat. Much of the wheat is separated, then you can make soup. Add rock salt. Mix a little with blender. Pilaf ready. Add oil to the pan to cook barley noodle and wire noodle. Add the noodles after the fat melts. Boil 1.5 cups of water for 1 cup noodle. Add salt, pepper, dried mint. Add boiling water and mix. Close the lid, mix at intervals. Grate 1 tomato to make tomato sauce. Add some water. Add rock salt. Add hot chili sauce, Tabasco sauce. Add some black pepper and boil for 15 minutes. Turn off the fire after taking the noodle juice. You can make a simple mashed potato. Add some margarine or butter to the grated potato. Add salt, add a little oil and milk. Tomato sauce ready consistency like this. Chop the eggplants to make eggplant sauce. Add butter or margarine to the pan. Add some flour and mix. Add water or milk mix. Add eggplants. Add mozzarella cheese. Add salt and mix thoroughly. Eggplant sauce ready. Lamb shanks checked after 3 hours, now it's exactly 4 hours. You can understand from the bones that lamb shanks are cooked very well. No need to rest, it will be better to serve it very hot. Different serving plates will be prepared. First plate is casserole, wheat puree. Add lamb stew to it. And leave the hot butter ready, which is important. Add a little chili or chili to the butter before preparing the serving plates. You can add the oil of lamb shank, or add the butter and serve. The second dish is eggplant puree, it is called Turkish name hunkarbajendi sauce. Add lamb shank on eggplant. Add some meat oil and serve. Third plate of mashed potatoes and lamb shank. You can add some shank oil and a meat-glass sauce. The fourth plate will be noodles and add tomato sauce on it. Fifth dish of rice with chickpeas. You can add from onions at the bottom. You can be served plainly without adding anything. You can make lamb meat crispy as a different idea. Breadcrumbs are used for this. Flour and eggs. Beat the egg. Lamb meat cooked in the oven for 4 hours, cut into small pieces. Add flour. Cover the meat with flour. Add the meat you covered with flour to the egg. add to the breadcrumb after covering with eggs. You can fry in oil after using breadcrumbs or use air fryer. You can lubricate it with a little brush to avoid dryness. You can use a preset, for example in the nugget cooking setting. 190 degrees 10 minutes will suffice. Eat these pieces of crispy meat without waiting. Drinks and salads will be very good. Click the bell icon to get notification of the latest videos. Open notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the new video. Goodbye. See you in the new video. Goodbye.